So this right here is well, should I say the boot of the C8 Corvette. The C8 Corvette, the boot. Well, today what I'm doing is actually changing what they call, this is the cabin air filter. So that is right there. Let me take that little part off right there so you can see a little bit more of it. But yeah, so it's the first time I'm changing it. So I thought, you know, maybe I should just go ahead and make a little video of it. And first time I see where the battery's at, washer fluid, and I guess what, like the springs and some other stuff. It's the first time I actually seen in here. I should put some more light on in here. But I think that's a transmission, battery, and they didn't put my stuff back on last time they was there. Let me make sure I put that back on properly. Not saying it's gonna do anything, but shoot, they could have put it back on, right? But yeah, it's nothing. I just wanted to take it out. Let's see how dirty it is. It's about 16,000 miles. Let's see if I should have changed it a long time ago. Oh yeah, look at that. That thing dirty. Oh, I can't say it. Well, it is dirty. Look at that. See that? Compared to what it's gonna be. So yeah, if you haven't changed your air filter, I got 16,000 miles on mine so far. But yeah, you see how dirty that is? Yeah, you might want to change it. Dang, I didn't realize it was that. Maybe I should have changed it a lot sooner. Oh well, that's the model number, just in case you want it. And what I did, look at how dirty that thing is. This is the one I bought. Let me see. I bought the Bosch one, Amazon. Oh yeah, see it? Let's make sure it's the same size. Yep, make sure it's the same size. But yeah, you can see. I think this one's actually white though. It's not wasn't blue at all. But this is Micron Air. Hopefully this is good. This is HEPA, HEPA filtration. Not sure what it is, but yeah. So probably gonna vacuum out that too, just so I can. But yeah, it was just 3 parts. So that one on the left. Oh, there we go. That mountain bike. Got the one on the right, and then this one in the middle. Let's see. Probably clean it too. But let's see. Not dirty, but got a little vent on it. And as you see, these little parts right here, probably about 6 of them on it. But yeah, it's really easy though. So if you ever change it, yeah, you might want to go ahead and try to change that just a little bit. But yeah, thank y'all for viewing it. Appreciate y'all checking it out. Y'all have a great night. How dirty that is. Dang, man, I've been riding around with that.